How to update Nvidia drivers Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can update your Nvidia drivers on Windows 11, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to update your Nvidia drivers for Windows 11, updating the Windows and updating those drivers will not help solve the problem. So if you want to actually update the drivers for your specific graphics card, which is Nvidia in this case, it's actually quite simple. If you use Nvidia based laptop, automatically in the search menu you should already get an application called GeForce Experience. This will be the app that will already be pre-installed by default if you have Nvidia GeForce. Now just in case you don't have, you can also download this manually. I'll make sure to drop a link below. Make sure to download and install this app and then open it up. When you open GeForce Experience, this application actually has the option to update all of your gaming drivers and so on, so that you won't face any sort of issues. So right here you can see the drivers tab. Make sure to go to the drivers tab here. As you go there, just click the check for updates option. It will check for any of the gaming drivers that are actually necessary for your Nvidia graphics or your processor to run properly, and then you can update them, download them, install them, restart your Windows, and this should solve your problem. This way you can update your Nvidia drivers for Windows 11. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.